friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making refried beans and cheese quesadilla. For this easy recipe, all we need is flour tortillas, can of refried beans, and shredded cheese, and also some oil for pan frying. So I'm going to put some oil in a pan and turn the heat on medium high. And now I'm going to assemble the quesadillas. So I'm going to spread tortilla with refried beans. And I'm going to add shredded cheese. And I'm just going to put shredded cheese over half of the tortilla, like that. And then I'm going to close it. So that's one quesadilla assembled. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. So now we have assembled quesadillas, and let's put them on a frying pan. And I'm going to cook it for several minutes on each side, or until the beans are heated through and the cheese is melted. So now they've been cooking for 3 minutes on this side, and I started counting from the time when the pan got heated and the oil started sizzling. So see, they're nicely golden brown. And I'll flip them over. So if you see that if they're starting to cook too quickly, you can always reduce the heat to medium or medium low. And now I'm going to cook it for a few minutes on this side, and they'll be ready. So now they're done cooking. I'll turn off the heat. So they cooked for 2 minutes on this side, and they're ready. So they're browned on this side and the other side, and everything is warm and melted inside. So let's take them off the frying pan. Perfect. They look amazing. So easy to make. And now if you want, you can cut them into smaller pieces. So just cut each in half. Totally optional, just depends on how you like them. Perfect. And now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying them. I love quesadillas. They're hot, so. So good. The cheese is melted and the beans are heated through and the shell is crispy. This is a perfect combination of flavors. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!